this smartwatch is so well made and it comes loaded with features that easily compares to name brand smartwatches. It's lightweight, but really solid. And the AMOLED screen, the clarity is absolutely insane. The style of it can easily be dressed up or dressed down, so I feel like I can wear it with really anything. Plus, it's super comfortable to wear. It sits on the wrist really nicely, and the band feels remarkable. Setup was incredibly quick. I got the app downloaded and got it paired with my phone, and then it was pretty much ready to go. And I love how customizable the watch faces are, so I can change it every day depending on how I'm feeling, and it's always something that I'm going to love. But my favorite feature has got to be that I can literally take hands-free photos right here from the watch just by the click of a button. I've only been wearing it for like 2 days now, and it's already got heart rate, stress levels, my step count, and so much more. Plus, it automatically updates everything on its own. I love using it to track workouts, so even if it's just a simple walk outside, I can easily set it and it will track all of that information for me and add it into my activity log. And it even tracked my sleep last night, so I'm getting some insights into what my sleep is looking like, whether it's deep sleep, light sleep, and so on. It has over 100 different sports modes, so you can choose from any of those. And it's IP68 rated, so it's nice and waterproof. I don't have to worry about it when it gets around water or when I'm sweating. And as I mentioned before, I've had this on for about 2 days, probably a little bit more, and it's still got 71% battery. I've had it on constantly. It's tracked sleep and workouts, all of my steps, you name it. So it's been working constantly, checking my heart rate, and it still has 71% battery. So the battery capacity is tremendous. If you were looking for a watch that is stylish, accurate, and truly helpful on a day-to-day basis, this watch is remarkable, you guys. Whether it's as a gift or if it's just for yourself, I would highly recommend it.